In this video, we will see how we will be start creating the observable from the very scratch. For this, I have already created the Angular application. Now I am going to add a new component in which we will try to do some logical way to demonstrate how we can utilize the observable. So let me add this particular component inside the HTML of app.component.html. Now we will be adding the new observable and try to do something that will demonstrate how we can utilize by creating the new observable. Let me add the new observable with the help of the create method. Inside this we will define how we will be trying to send the value to the subscriber. We will be using the method next. Let me delete the new. We will be using dot next in order to send the new value to the subscriber. Let us say I am sending the first value. So whosoever will subscribe this particular observable will immediately get this particular value that is being sent from the observable. Let us say I am subscribing over here, and as soon as I am subscribing, I am start receiving whatever value that is being sent from the observable that we have created. So you can see I am receiving the first value that is being sent from the observable. Now let us say now I am sending the second value, and you can see it start receiving the first, and then the second value has been received to the subscriber. Let me add some logic that will add the particular values to the HTML. Let me say we have a element div that has an ID, my ID, and I will try to add or append some content that is being sent from the observable in this particular div tag. Let me create a method append to div. Okay, this will take a value, and this value is being append to that particular element that we have created with the ID mydiv. So once our view has been initiated, then we need to apply appending of element to the HTML element. So let me define the ng after view init method, and I will do nothing but calling this particular method inside the subscribe, and that value will be appended to the HTML view. Let me add some comma and space. Yeah, now this is seems perfect. So in this way we can send the value. Now let me try to add some logic. Set timeout. Now I am trying to send some value with the help of set timeout, and inside the timeout I am trying to send some value after some time in order to make it demonstrate that the receiver of the observable will immediate getting all the values that is being sent from the observable at any span of time. Let us say this value has been sent and this particular value has been emitted after 5 seconds. So thank you so much.